Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Robinhood app update stuck on waiting, failing to download, or nothing showing up in the App Store? An outdated Robinhood can make critical security patches and causes trading errors. Here's how to force it through. First, open the App Store, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, scroll down past your Apple account information, and pull down on the screen to force refresh the list of available updates. Look for Robinhood in the list and tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting or download circle is froze and not moving, go to your home screen, tap and hold the Robinhood icon and pause download. Then tap it again to resume download. This kickstarts a stuck frozen download. If the update keeps failing every time, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. And make sure that you have at least 1 GB of free space. Updates fail instantly or silently when storage is too low. So free up space by offloading unused app. Then return to the App Store and retry. Switching from Wi-Fi to your mobile data can also help when the App Store connection is slow. So all you gotta do is go to your App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free iPhone storage in settings, try on mobile data. That's it. Robinhood update will complete. Subscribe.